discussed earlier, ratio of coefficient of x should be equal to ratio of coefficient of y and should be equal to the constants also. So in this case, is it so? See here, these two equations we are writing it again. So ratio of coefficients of x, a upon l, is equal to b upon n, b upon m, just proven, not equal to c upon n, right? Hence, as the three are not equal, therefore it has no solution. Next, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 3. If 3 is subtracted from numerator and 2 is added to the denominator, then the new number becomes 1 upon 5. Then the original number was here. There is a fraction, numerator and denominator. So let the numerator be x and denominator be y. Okay. So the original fraction is x upon y. We have to find that. Okay. Now what is given? Denominator is greater than that of the numerator by 3. Therefore y equals to x plus 3. Right? Okay. Next is what? 3 is subtracted from the numerator. So n minus 3 and 2 is added to the denominator. So d plus 2. So new numbers, what does the numerator and denominator become then? X minus 3 and y plus 2. Right? Okay. Now but then numerator and denominator, new one. What does it become? X minus 3 upon y plus 2, right? New numerator, new denominator. But that fraction is given as what? 1 upon 5. So, this is equal to 1 upon 5. Then solve it. 5 here, y plus 2 here on this side. So, it becomes 5x minus 15 equals to y plus 2. Solve this. Therefore, 5x minus y equals to 17. 15 on this side. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.